What is up, YouTube? Greetings from New York City. You can see I've got the green screen working properly finally. I know that my previous videos kind of looked a little bit weird. The green screen didn't quite come out right, but it's working beautifully now. And I really am in New York City, by the way. It is a green screen behind me. I am sitting in my office. But anyway, so I wanted to tell you, I am very excited about this new product that I just found. What the software does, it basically automates the process of creating videos on YouTube, creating advertising, all kinds of different materials. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Slick. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes could be as stale as well. Last week's New York bagels, and let's face it, those things are really awful. You know, I've only been here 2 weeks, and I'm already experiencing regret when I pick up old bagels, but the fresh ones, there's nothing like it in the world. Anyway, so I know I keep going on about New York bagels. You think I'm running a bagel shop over here. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? My cat is here as well to say hello. Well, it's very, very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or, seriously, you know, you're annoying my cat as well. Give it a rest. Seriously. Anyhow, see, the cat ran away because she was annoyed with Bart. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I also do here is I do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you very much, Liz Lemon. Liz is a fellow New Yorker, you know. She loves New York, and she's a good person, even though she does the same thing every time also. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at my screen right here, and I hope you can see me and the screen. I'm trying a new app for recording my videos. So this is the sales page for Slick. It's a brand new piece of software from my friend Billy Dar. And right now it's going for $17. Really, really good deal. I think they do have a discount if you try to exit, by the way. It's not showing me, but this is the preview version, so don't quote me that there's a discount. And I want you to forget all the hype over here. It really is a great product. But you know what? Let me just get you to the bottom line. I want to tell you why this is a great product, but I also want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because I do, as always, have the very best custom bonuses in the industry. And for you right now, I have 5 brand new courses that I just had commissioned. So I have 7 ways to get success. I have 10 ways to create the perfect online video. I have 51 social media marketing methods. Okay, I have 100 fast list building methods, and I have affiliate marketing kickstart for you if you pick it up from me. If you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you another 10 fresh courses that I just got my hands on. These are the 5 you're going to get with the front end product. Plus, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's going to come from Billy. He gives us a huge list of stuff as well that I can give away to you because I'm one of his top affiliates. Let's go ahead and take a look right away in the members area. So here's the members area. And you can see here what it actually lets you do is it lets you create all these different kinds of materials. So you can create WhatsApp status, you can create TikTok videos, Facebook video feeds, LinkedIn stories, etc. Or if you want to do ads, you can actually pick out different kinds of ads that you can create as well. And all these things are already done for you. So let me give you one example. Let me show you, for example. This is an example of a YouTube ad. And you can see you actually get a whole list of designs available here. There's like a half a dozen different designs, and you can customize these, obviously. however you like. You can change the text. You can put in whatever images you want. All these things are customizable. You simply choose what you want to put in, and you automatically can change everything to fit your own needs. And of course, again, you have all these different options. They also have a library of free videos. They have a bunch of images. They have text. They also have the various elements that you can add in. They have various kinds of filters. There's audio. There's different layers of material. So it's a really, really comprehensive piece of software that lets you create all kinds of content that you might need. And again, when you pick it up from me, in addition to the bonuses that you're going to get from Billy, I'm also going to give you 5 fresh courses that I just commissioned. Plus, if you pick up any upgrade, you get another 10 courses from me on top of those. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Well, yes, I am. Definitely huge tip of my hat to you, to Billy. You know, as always, this thing is a great product for $17. And as I said, I think if you go ahead and try to exit, you might get another $3 off. Really well worth picking up. You really can't go wrong with this one. So go ahead and grab this one. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.